Guys, apparently this is for your Cubot 7, your Cubot Note 7. So this is how it usually comes in packaging. So it says here, please reject this item if the seal is broken. So I'm going to be opening it for you to see live. So guys, I think I might have to tear this thing off because I'm having issues opening this thing like straight up. I think I might just have to tear it off, guys. So I'm going to tear it off. So you guys, so just got this one from one of our partners. That's what we got this Note 7 from. You can also get it from them too. We can assist you. We can offer you the assistance. But this is the unboxing of the Note 7 phone. See, so I'm kind of using my hands to do this stuff. So I'm kind of putting it out. Okay. So this is it, guys. Says here Note 7. This is your Note 7 phone. You can see how cool it is. So this is your Note 7, guys. This is Note 7, the almighty Note 7 that you guys have been talking about. So you open up this phone and you're good to go. So if you want, guys, we'll place the orders for you. You pay, you just pay your normal commitment fee and you're good to go. So these are your you can see it here, it's written here. Okay, so Cubot Note 7 MMI. This is black. We ordered for the black one, so that's why it's like this. But guys, the phone is cool. The phone is great. It's a good phone. I will be telling you guys how far the phone is, but you can see the whole specs here. Sorry about my background. I just had to do this video because if I take too long again trying to figure out everything, but these are it is: water drop screen, everything with the 3G. So you see how packaged this phone is. It's coming here, Note 7. So the phone is really great, guys. It's great. So you guys can DM me. I'll place this order for you, or you can meet any of our partners and you get it from them too. So okay, so I have to pull off this there's a C here. I have to pull it off. It's raining here, it's kind of raining. So at AGV Akahilz conglomerate, what we do is that we can make orders for you. We can help you get items. We check them out. We see how good they are. We'll let you know the ones that are okay, so you don't go. And mind you, you still have opportunity to return some of these items. So that's it. The item came with a receipt too. It came with a receipt, so the receipt is going to be there. It's going to be there. The item came with a receipt. It came with a receipt. It said I'm going to show you part of this. It said, dear Mr. Gray, this is this. So these are our receipts. But that's for that. Let me just show you guys the unboxing of this phone. Now everything is here. So guys, you see how the phone looks like. So it comes with a patch, and this is the patch. This is the phone casing. This is everything you need to know about this phone. This is for the charger. You can see the charger is here, guys. Okay, so the charger is here. Everything is here. Guys, what I would say is that the packaging is nice. The packaging is really dope, guys. It's really dope, and it's fucking lit. Sorry, don't mind my language, but the packaging is really neat. This is the charger. It came with the charger. Charger it came with. Yeah. This is the phone. Okay, so thank you for purchasing. So this is the manual. Okay, it's raining here. So I'm just doing this one for unboxing sake. The start guide how to operate this phone. So guys, if you need this phone, you can easily let us know, make the orders for you. So this is it, uses nano SIM and all types of SIM card. So I think this is something you guys will want to buy. It's a good budget Android. You can get it. Okay. 2 GB everything. So I'm gonna charge you stuff, use it, and then let you guys know how far it is. So this is, I think the phone is good for the price. You can see the camera is okay. It's a 4G phone, 4G enabled. So guys, peace out guys, peace out. If you need any assistance, can you let us know? Order one for you. Just got this one from our partners. We're partnering with Nigeria's e-commerce companies. Partner with Jumia, Konga, different companies that do that sell gadgets and internet stuff. Then will easily bring them for you. So guys, I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to this product and any other products that we might be launching out. But this is just one of the ones we'll be doing so far. This is an unboxing. This is just an unboxing stuff. So you can see how great is this. It's a Cubot Note 7. It's nice. So one of guys buy keys and Cubot Note 7. There's the packaging. It's the packaging, and you're good to go. Good to go.